Hey, this is Joey at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you this UTV trailer we got in by Covered Wagon. This is designed for the UTV side-by-side people in mind. It's 7 foot wide, so it's easy to get it in trails, get it in and out, see around it. You've got 3,500 pound axles underneath it, brakes on both axles. Like I said, 7 foot wide, so you just very snugly fits in there. We added the big side door right here so that you can open up your doors to your RZR, get in and out super easy. You've also got a pull-out step here. That way you don't have to jump down, step up, step in. We've got LED lights all the way around. Covered Wagon also uses the 6-inch trim down there on the bottom and the big trim on top with the drip edge built in. This is the blackout package. We can do it in black blackout, gray blackout's a very common one, white blackout. White blackout would go very good with my RZR. You've got bed liner style liner on the frame. It's made by Cobra Liner. They do it all the way on all the exposed frame. 2 5/16 coupler on it. This metal is semi-screwless, 0.030 metal. And we can do regular trim if you don't want the blackout trim. It's hit or miss, whichever way everybody wants. Come around here to the back, we'll show you the back. All right, now this trailer's got a 7 foot interior height, so you can get the RZR in and out of here with ease. This one's built with the spoiler on the back. You've got loading lights there on the back for when you're loading at night. Help keep everything bright to where you can see everything. The floor is a Drymax wood floor. It's a lot more water resistant than your standard plywood floors. You can also see this Cobra bed liner here on the sides on the frames. This has got an extra wide ramp door on it, so you see a real thin area right here. That way you get the RZRs in there a little bit easier. This was also built with a transition flap to cover up the gap right there between the ramp and the floor. And the transition flap on the end is a zeroed off knife edge style end. It's a lot heavier duty on that one than doing the standard wood flap. If you're driving lawnmowers, stuff like that on it, you don't have to worry about it tearing up. It goes on there with ease. Don't notice much difference but it's with the RZR, but it's a lot nicer. You've also got handles here to pick it up and spring assist cables on there. 7 foot interior width, 16 foot length. We can do this in 16 or 14 foot length. You've also got 4 tie downs, 1 in each corner to tie your RZR down. We can do extra tie downs if you want extra tie downs. Maybe you want some motorcycles in there. We can also add E-Track if you want to do E-Track. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.